Ramen, Japan. Ramen is a symbol of Japan, but it's not as simple as it seems. Originating from China, ramen was adapted by Japanese chefs in the late 19th century. It's made with wheat flour, water, salt, and a bit of kansui, a special alkaline water that gives it its signature chewy texture. The most iconic feature? The broth. From tonkatsu, pork bone, to shoyu, soy sauce, ramen's magic lies in the rich, flavorful soup that cradles those noodles. And of course, let's not forget the classic toppings: boiled egg, chashu pork, nori, and bamboo shoots. Why is ramen special? It's a bowl of comfort, but also a cultural experience. You'll find ramen joints in every corner of Japan, often with regional variations. Plus, its global rise has turned it into a major export, with ramen chains opening worldwide. Surprising fact, did you know? Ramen has its own day. Japan celebrates National Ramen Day on April 4th every year. Spaghetti, Italy. When you think of Italy, you probably think of spaghetti. This classic pasta was originally from Italy's southern regions, particularly Naples. It's made from durum wheat semolina, which gives it its signature firm texture when cooked al dente. Spaghetti is known for its long, thin strands, a perfect vehicle for rich tomato sauces, creamy Alfredo, or a bolognese. But what really sets spaghetti apart? Its versatility. From family dinners to gourmet dishes, spaghetti is a world favorite. Why it's special? Spaghetti isn't just food. It's a symbol of Italy's culinary pride and history. It's the base for many Italian dishes and a food that brings people together. Surprising fact: spaghetti was brought to the U.S. by Italian immigrants in the 19th century, and it quickly became a staple in American kitchens. Pho noodles. Vietnam. Pho, a hearty Vietnamese soup that's taken the world by storm. The noodles themselves are rice-based and thin, perfect for soaking up the aromatic broth. Pho is served with a savory beef or chicken broth, packed with spices like star anise, cinnamon, and cloves. Pho dates back to the early 20th century in Hanoi, and it's become a national dish. But what makes it so interesting? It's not just a meal, it's an experience. People often eat it for breakfast in Vietnam, giving you the perfect start to your day. Taste impact. Pho noodles absorb the rich, fragrant broth, making each bite a burst of flavor. It's light but filling and offers the perfect balance of spice, sweetness, and savory umami. Surprising fact: pho was once considered a poor man's food, but today it's served in upscale restaurants around the world. And its secret? The broth, which can take hours to perfect. Pad Thai, Thailand. Pad Thai, Thailand's street food king. This stir-fried noodle dish has its roots in the 1930s when the Thai government wanted to promote national unity. It's made with rice noodles, tamarind paste, fish sauce, peanuts, and a unique combination of herbs. What's special about Pad Thai? It's the balance of flavors. Sweet, salty, sour, and spicy all come together in one dish. And it's a go-to for those who crave a quick meal on the go, especially with its crunchy peanut topping and lime squeeze for extra zing. Taste impact. The rice noodles are slightly chewy and take on the rich sauce. Pad Thai is not just a meal. It's a hit of everything you need to satisfy your taste buds. Surprising fact: Pad Thai was a government-backed creation designed to unify the people of Thailand. Now, it's one of the most well-known dishes worldwide. Udon, Japan. Udon. Thick, chewy wheat noodles that are a Japanese comfort food staple. Udon originated in Japan, believed to have been brought over by Buddhist monks from China during the 9th century. What makes udon noodles unique? Their size. They are thick and have a chewy, satisfying texture. Udon is often served in a clear broth or stir-fried, with toppings like tempura, tofu, or green onions. Why it's special? Udon is incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed hot in a broth during winter or chilled with dipping sauce in the summer. And in Japan, there's even a whole culture around regional udon varieties. Surprising fact: Udon is said to be a spiritual noodle. Some believe that the thickness represents the strong bond between people, making it a popular choice for New Year's celebrations. Soba, Japan. Soba. Buckwheat noodles that are often served cold, particularly in the summer. Originating from Japan, soba has been around for centuries, and it's a healthier alternative to wheat noodles. Buckwheat is rich in nutrients and has a slightly nutty flavor. Soba noodles are served in various forms, from cold soba dipped in a soy-based sauce to hot soba served in a broth with tempura. Soba's delicate flavor makes it ideal for lighter dishes and is a favorite for those seeking a simple yet satisfying meal. Why it's special? Soba symbolizes longevity and good health in Japan, making it an essential part of traditional celebrations. Surprising fact: soba noodles are often eaten on New Year's Eve in Japan as a symbol of cutting off the past year's misfortunes and starting fresh. Jajangmyeon, South Korea. Jajangmyeon, a noodle dish that's beloved in South Korea. It's made with wheat noodles and served with a savory black bean paste sauce, mixed with pork or beef and vegetables. This dish originated in China, but it was adapted in Korea to become a cultural phenomenon. Served often in casual eateries or as a celebratory meal, jajangmyeon is packed with umami-rich flavors, and the black bean paste gives it a deep, savory taste. Why it's special? The black bean paste sauce is the star. It's sweet and salty with a bold flavor, unlike any other noodle sauce in the world. Surprising fact: jajangmyeon is such a popular comfort food in Korea that there's even a special day for it, Jajangmyeon Day, celebrated every April 14th. Instant noodles. Worldwide, instant noodles are the unsung heroes of busy people everywhere. Created in 1958 by Momofuku Ando in Japan, instant noodles were designed to be cheap, easy to prepare, and long-lasting. Now, they're a global staple, found in nearly every country. The noodles are dehydrated, and all you need to do is add boiling water and wait for a few minutes. From basic to gourmet, instant noodles have been upgraded with unique flavors like spicy kimchi, beef, and even curry. Why it's special? Instant noodles were a game changer. They made food affordable and quick, feeding millions around the world, especially in times of crisis. Surprising fact: instant noodles have their own holiday. National Instant Ramen Day is celebrated every year on April 4th in honor of their creation.